Hi, Mystery. What's the matter?
I'm sad because I have run out of toys to sell. The Everything Emporium is toyless.
Maybe we could build some toys for you.
I have a special toy-making machine we can use.
We'll be right back with some toys, Mystery. Let's go! What kind of toy do you want to create? A vehicle, stuffy, or a toy house? Choose a toy to create. Toy house. Let's make Mystery a toy house. Tap here to start. Mr. E wants the Under the Rainbow house. This toy house must have an orange body and must be small enough to fit under a rainbow. Tap the check mark when you're ready to create.
Let's start with this part of the toy. Choose the body of the toy house.
Great pick.
Make it smaller.
Make more changes to the toy or tap the check mark when you're done.
Add battery power to make it light up. Paint it orange. Thumbs up! Let's choose the next part of the toy. Choose a door.
Yeah! Good one. Good one.
Make it smaller. Make it smaller. Paint it purple. You are working it out. Time to choose the last part of the toy. Choose an accessory.
Ooh.
Make it smaller. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Paint it orange.
When this toy has everything Mystery asked for, tap the arrow button to see the toy-making machine build this toy. Building time!
Building the body. Make it smaller. Add battery power to make it light up. Paint it orange. Building the door. Make it smaller. Make it smaller. Paint it purple. Building the accessory. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Paint it orange.
Awesome design!
It's time to test the toy. What do you and your grown-up think will happen?
Tap the green play button when everyone's ready to start the test.
Does this toy house have an orange body?
Yes!
Is this toy house small enough to fit under a rainbow?
Yes! Oh yeah! This toy has everything Mystery asked for.
Yes, this toy has everything I asked for.